Many Americans are turning passions into profit through side hustles, but often overlook the crucial tax implications. Common mistakes include failing to report all income, not understanding deductible expenses, or neglecting quarterly tax payments. Understanding these taxes can save you money and help you avoid penalties, ensuring your side hustle remains profitable and compliant. The IRS considers anyone earning over $400 in net earnings from self employment to be subject to self employment tax. This threshold is much lower than standard filing requirements for employees, applying even if your side hustle is part time or temporary. If you meet this threshold, you'll need to file a Schedule SE specifically for self employment tax. Unlike traditional employees, taxes are not automatically withheld from your side hustle income. Side hustlers are generally required to pay estimated taxes quarterly if they expect to owe $1,000 or more in taxes for the year. These payments cover both your income tax and self employment tax, which includes Social Security and Medicare contributions. You can estimate your tax liability using IRS Form 1040 E.S to ensure accurate quarterly payments. Maximizing savings means understanding deductible expenses, which can significantly reduce your taxable income. If you use a dedicated space exclusively and regularly for your side hustle, you can deduct a portion of home related expenses. This includes rent, mortgage interest, utilities, and insurance, using either the simplified method or actual expense method. If you use your car for business, you can deduct mileage at the standard IRS rate or actual vehicle expenses like gas and repairs. Accurate mileage logs are crucial for substantiating these deductions. Costs for equipment, software, and supplies exclusively used for your side hustle are also deductible. A portion of your internet and phone bills can be deducted if used for your side hustle. Education and training costs that maintain or improve skills for your side hustle are also deductible. Marketing and advertising expenses, such as social media ads or website fees, are fully deductible. Fees paid to professionals like accountants, lawyers, or consultants for your side hustle are also deductible. Maintaining accurate and organized financial records is paramount for any side hustler. This includes tracking all income and expenses and keeping receipts for every business related purchase. Using a separate bank account and credit card for your side hustle simplifies tracking and avoids commingling funds. Several apps can streamline tracking income, expenses, and estimated taxes. QuickBooks Self-Employed, Expensify, FreshBooks, Wave, Bonsai Tax, and TaxSlayer are popular choices. Understanding your business structure, like LLC versus sole proprietorship, is key. A sole proprietorship is simple to set up but offers no personal asset protection, meaning you're personally liable for business debts. An LLC, or limited liability company, offers personal asset protection, shielding your personal assets from business debts and lawsuits. LLCs are more complex to set up but offer tax flexibility, such as electing to be taxed as an S Corp to potentially save on self-employment taxes. Self-employment tax consists of Social Security and Medicare taxes for those who work for themselves. The self-employment tax rate is 15.3%, covering 12.4% for Social Security and 2.9% for Medicare. Self-employed individuals can deduct 1/2 of their self-employment tax from their gross income. To avoid penalties from the IRS, always pay your estimated taxes on time and file your tax returns accurately. Keep thorough records of all income and expenses and ensure you're paying enough tax throughout the year. If you're unable to pay in full, explore payment options directly with the IRS. Strategies to reduce your tax burden include maximizing deductible business expenses and contributing to retirement plans like SEP IRA or Solo 401. Also, consider the Qualified Business Income, or QBI, deduction, which can further lower your taxable income. It's time to hire a CPA if your taxes are too complicated, you're unsure about deductions, or you want to maximize savings.
A CPA can ensure accurate payments, help avoid penalties, and provide expert guidance, especially during an IRS audit.
Understanding and effectively managing your side hustle taxes is crucial for financial success. Implement these tips and consider consulting a tax professional for personalized advice.